Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by readying the essentials. Charge the watch and power it on, because unstable power interrupts setup. Next, install Wear OS or the specific companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth so the devices can see each other. Once done, open the app and follow the on-screen QR or pairing code prompts to link accounts. This syncs contacts, calendar, and basic settings. Make sure to sign in with your Google account so notifications and backup features work properly. You now configure the watch to fit how you live. Start with a watch face and add complications for weather, steps, or next calendar event so important info is one glance away. Once done, refine notification filters and app permissions so your wrist only buzzes for what matters. This conserves battery and reduces distractions. Finally, enable tiles and activity tracking, heart rate, step goals, and workout detection, and make sure sync frequency matches your data expectations and battery needs. You finish by updating the watch OS and apps to get the latest fixes and security patches, because updates often resolve connectivity problems. Next, enable backup so settings and tiles restore after resets, and set battery saver thresholds and gesture shortcuts to extend daily life. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart first. If pairing fails, unpair on the phone, clear the app cache, then repair. As a last resort, factory reset the watch and repeat pairing to resolve persistent sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.